Prasarokni lenglama bathak thai tubuna hinei tini Delhi hakotoro himi Choba khainei ogli bubagra khonichimi Delhi hakotoro himino tini thangnai hinei himi Choba khainei debate Murasing tini khorokcha chakra Tipra Mothani president tini Hrangkhawl phunni bisingtui hayakeba kokdukni bisingtui no krunglaye kok salaimani yakulo tini Hrangkhawl belaino sikla jorani kokrokno tuye muitong manjakha abono brokni bisingtibo tini sikla jorani phano Tipra sarokno muthangna hine tini brokni bisingtino titi edisi mambui phaika brokni bathai obo haikeno tini debate Murasing bo o Choba rokno ta mathagdi jung bahaike Choba khaye chini manthai sok thai rokno tini jung tobuma haike titi edisi tobuma haike jung bahaino obo haikeno tubi phaika norok haikeno tini Choba khaye tini jung titi edisi tubi phaimani norok waisa tabuk thangi thangnani lama rokno o Choba rokno tapokti thinangi jati hinjaknai sikla rokno bo o kokno sawi phoronggi kalangi thangdi jung tini mohaike norokno kalangi thangmani norokni basabuti rok taibo kaham khaye man buthung hayakeba norokni bisingtino mandang situng hinino tini khorokcha chakra Hrangkhawl sawi khnarimani debate Murasing obonotui debate Murasing bo belakheno kha tongthokjakha tini mohai khorokcha bathai kalangi thangnai titi edisi sanbui tini mambunai rok ni bisingtui mohai message rokno manui tini o Tiprasani Choba khainei Tiprasani bathak thaino lenglama mohai rokno sanani bagino tini Delhi hakotoro himi thangmani obahai rokno tuye kok sajakma rokno tini khorokcha chakra Hrangkhawl bai sajakma tuye belakheno kha tongthokjakha tini Delhi hakotorni yatra hayakeba yakungbai himi Choba khainei debate Murasing Meghalaya hastini lukurokno bahaino tini debate Murasing ni bisingtui belakheno kha kaham yafarmani koktma kasoi phaika tamhingke obono tini Meghalaya hastini lukurokno kha kaham yafarmani tini Tiprasani mukhang hayakeba Tiprasani kok satui tini obahaikeno brokni mukhang bahaino bakha thancha kha thancha khailaino tini o Tiprasani Choba tini Delhi hakotoro himi thangnai debate Murasing belai kha yogjagino tini chathai nungthai thutai obahairok kha kaham kaino tini lamsogui tini sakni nogo no tini lamsogui narwai palai mani nukjakha debate Murasing tei logeo thangnai sikla bodol rokno bahaino tini kahamke kha kaham khaye koklam salaye tini sakni hani kokthai kothma o hani basarok hinjaktutino tini sakni hawano mahaike thangi thangnani lama tini omahai Choba rokno makhaima rokno tuino tini Meghalaya hastini lukurokno sawi khanarimani koktma kasai phaika debate Murasing ni bisingtui taibo sai khanarika debate Murasing tini wati pamti pailia wati pamti bahaino bathagliha bini oi himbatokni Choba haikeba tini Delhi hakotorni Choba tini Tipra sarokni thangi thangnani lamani o Choba tini Delhi hakotorni bufa hinjaknai borokno tini Tipra sarokni khorang khanarnani bakaino tini wati pamti phano pailia mahaikeno wati pamti phano tini himi tongmani mangpli kasai phaika debate Murasing ni mangpli
Bishiburum no chini kermatai chingno hamya chayani yakni katirui tonikha chini lai bumani shimi khulum jagi phaimao chini matai chini hao bini hamari rumang tongthum TTAADC ni ungui ching jottono kerni kha kaham te chibaya pharo
Meghalaya layako sir. Meghalaya ni moki dong dehin abo haijagao kaisa sokha. Okay.
Shillong le layakap le na layako.
Layako sir Shillong take 2 days nang may sok na ni.
Kipa Asamo se na rata bo.
Na sir Meghalaya bisingon hapka Gentia Hills. Gentia Hills sir.
And every blessing for each and every participant.
Thank you sir. Thank you sir. Nini.
And God bless each one of you.
Yes sir.
And one more, my appeal and request to each one of you to maintain your standard
Yeah.
and quality
Yes.
and humanity.
Yes.
So that you setting up an example for our Tripura people.
Of course sir. Of course sir.
And you cover all the distance for few months.
Yes sir.
And so it is very, I think, challenging.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
And I wish every moral of individual, those who are participating, should have very high standards.
Thank you very much, sir. We always try to follow your path. And sir, by the way, what is the condition of your health, sir?
I think on 23rd I will be going to Tripura Castle, Shillong for medical checkup.
Yes, sir.
So Maharaj also told me that you must go for medical checkup.
Yes,
he
sir.
was
Yes, sir.
not mentioning. Then I said that I don't like to go far distance.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But
Yes.
if possible, if you have no problem,
Yes, sir.
I can be up to Shillong only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for your
How
calling.
many of you are participating?
Actually, 14 to 15 members are there, but the Shillong peoples and who are residing here in Meghalaya, they all are participating with us.
That's good. That's good.
Thank
And
you.
I hope.
Yes.
I think you should try to achieve something through your,
Yes,
I
sir.
think, sort of
Yes, sir.
nature
Yes. Yes.
all the setting up of example,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so that our living God is not the same.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we are discussing, Maharaj also
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
aware, and we are discussing for all your success,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
because you are our next generation, according to me,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and
Yes,
you
sir.
must have some achievement in life.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But unless you can maintain the sort of which is honored by God,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
we cannot achieve.
Yes,
If
sir.
you want to achieve something, you must be very perfect
Yes, sir.
in your lifestyle,
Yes, sir. Yes,
and
sir.
you must be humble also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And thank you very much, sir,
So
for
God
calling
bless
and
each one of
encouraging
you.
us.
We keep on
Yes.
praying for all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You must keep faith in God,
Yes.
because
Yes.
He's Almighty and He can provide you
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
patience and strength,
Yes, sir.
wisdom.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, all the best.
Thank-
My
thank-
regards to each and every one of you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thank you. Good night.
Good
Have
night, sir. Good night, sir. Thank
Good days to come, and this long distance you have to cover,
you. Yes,
and
sir.
you must be careful.
Yes, sir.
Take your
Yes, sir.
health care.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hor kaham jotna.
Hor kaham, sir.
Okay, no. Hambai.
Hambai.
Watay bazak Meghalaya ni watay Mungklogo Satitik Kini ke sampai baksa bataka watay bakaba Nilai tongo bapit tongo Say ada kilometer 1 kilometer ke sing sobi nai tim sunan himan jagawa Kini harus takut ni nogo Tasuk jora watay fan kisah Rain of Meghalaya It's raining more 200 to 300 meters we have to walk, then we'll reach our destination, today's destination obviously, and tomorrow we start again from that destination, Mukindur. So little bit I have a pronunciation of I have problem of pronunciation, so sorry for that. So we'll start next day our 2,500 kilometer Agartala to Delhi foot march movement for Tipra justice from Mukindur. So bye guys, Thank you and love you all Tiprasa. Boleh sampai sini Meghalaya ini nih. Sini apa Mukindur koroksa takuk nih bin nok oh jaga bin nok mana ini sentong lainnya ini kan juta oh jaga koi mana kan sampai ayah Bora बुखो के नॉक में नॉक पंजक खूब ले आज आप लोग के यहाँ हम लोग रहेगा दिल्ली तक पैदल जाना है तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका घर में आप लोग रहने के लिए दिया तो थैंक यू वेरी मच
आप लोग के लिए भी थैंक अपना स्टेट के लिए मतलब दूर से पैदल जाने आने पड़ेगा आप लोग भी
थैंक यू मुसुक
मेरा भाई का
हम लोग को चाय टी सर्व कर रहे तो उन्हीं का घर में हम लोग रुक रहा है तो ये उनका हस्बैंड है और थैंक यू वेरी मच आप लोगों ने जो हम लोग को रहने के लिए आज इनवाइट किया और चाय पे सबको चाय पिला रहे और ये लोकल पीठा भी हम लोग को इनवाइट कर रहे हैं ये साइड
Nếu con nó khác